Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Lance motor scooter. This is the Havana Classic 150. It's built for 2 passengers. Beautiful matte white finish. Only 4,000 miles on this gorgeous electric start, automatic transmission scooter. It's got the GV top case. Make your motor scooter dreams come true. This beautiful, great condition Lance scooter, just $17.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.